in today's video we're going to be having a look in this pot of shot bought and forgotten about potatoes that I'd sown a few months ago, back in April. We're now in July, so we should actually have some. They were in the polytunnel and they grew really fast in there, so I'm not hopeful that there's actually going to be any potatoes in there, because I'm sure it's probably just foliage that's just kept growing and growing. I did move it outside a month or so ago, but now the foliage has come up and then it's flowered and then it's died back, which is a sure sign really that the potatoes are ready, if there are any in here. So let's take a look. As you can see, we can see some potatoes there, and one round the other side. Hey. Some actually starting to grow there, some little ones. Oh, that's a good one. Oh, look like we've got a few there. They look good. Now we've got some decent sizes here, look. I'm just going to put them all to one side and then have another dig under here, because I can see some more little ones. Oh, I love doing this, like a little treasure hunt. And you always end up leaving some behind, because you can't find it in all the soil. See some more hiding under there, look at all them. Yay. So these, I think I planted about 6 tiny little cuttings that sprouted. I'd actually bought them from the shop, and they just sprouted, so I just sliced them up, and I've done a video on it anyway if you want to have a look, but I just sliced them and then just placed them in some soil and just kept mounding them up with soil every time the leaves got about 10 centimetres or so. So yeah, it's given us some, I'm quite pleased with that, to say that I weren't actually expecting anything with them being in that heat in the polytunnel. Oh, some more, look at that. Oh, it's brilliant. Oh, it's brilliant. do you reckon? Yeah, this is some are just tiny ones. They're good. Nice to throw in a salad. Potato salad. I just boil them. And they just keep coming in. Let's see if we've got any more in here. Get your hands in. I think that might be it. Oh, not one more there. This is probably why I ended up with some mystery potatoes growing in the plot that I'd emptied out a couple of years ago, and they've actually just sprouted up now. So they're just actually flowering, so we should get them in a few weeks or so. Can't see any more. I will go through it anyway, but again, just to doubly make sure we don't want to leave any behind. But yeah, quite pleased with that actually. From a few off cuttings that were just going to be chucked in the bin, and I've actually got some really decent potatoes. Can't wait to use them.